Your legs lose strength first. Add these 6 foods to your diet for stronger muscles. One of the earliest and most noticeable effects of aging is the progressive reduction in muscle mass. This issue is particularly evident in the legs, where a decline in muscle strength can significantly impact overall mobility, balance, and independence as we grow older. Weak legs make it more difficult to carry out everyday activities such as walking, standing up from a seated position, and climbing stairs. Over time, this weakness can increase the risk of falls, which are among the leading causes of injuries and hospitalization in older adults. Having strong leg muscles is not just about physical fitness. It plays a crucial role in maintaining independence and ensuring a higher quality of life as we age. Well-developed muscles provide better support, improve coordination, and reduce the chances of sudden falls or injuries. Engaging in physical activity is undoubtedly one of the best ways to preserve muscle strength, but an equally important factor is nutrition. The foods we eat supply the essential nutrients required for muscle growth, recovery, and endurance. By consuming a diet rich in high-quality proteins, essential vitamins, key minerals, and healthy fats, we can support muscle retention, improve energy levels, and enhance overall mobility. In today's video, we will explore 6 powerhouse foods that are particularly beneficial for maintaining leg strength. These foods contain critical nutrients that not only help preserve muscle mass but also strengthen bones and promote healthier joints, ensuring long-term mobility and reducing the risk of injury. Let's start. Number 1. Sweet potatoes. A natural energy source for your muscles. Sweet potatoes are among the most nutrient-dense foods available, making them an excellent choice for sustaining muscle health. They are packed with complex carbohydrates, which provide a steady release of energy, preventing sudden fluctuations in blood sugar levels. This ensures that muscles receive a continuous supply of energy, which is essential for activities like walking, standing, and exercising. Additionally, their high fiber content supports digestion, helping the body absorb the nutrients necessary for optimal muscle function. Another major advantage of sweet potatoes is their rich concentration of vitamin A potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in protecting muscle tissue from oxidative stress. By reducing oxidative damage, vitamin A helps slow down the process of age-related muscle deterioration, ensuring that muscles remain strong and functional for longer. Moreover, this vitamin supports muscle recovery after physical exertion, making sweet potatoes an ideal food choice for anyone looking to maintain leg strength. Number 2. Oats. A protein-packed source of sustained energy. Oats are an exceptional food choice when it comes to maintaining muscle health, especially in older adults. They contain slow-digesting carbohydrates, which provide a consistent source of energy without causing sudden spikes or crashes in blood sugar levels. This steady energy release is vital for sustaining endurance throughout the day, making it easier to perform routine activities. Beyond being an excellent energy source, oats are also a great plant-based protein option, which is essential for muscle growth, repair, and maintenance. Additionally, they are rich in iron, which plays a key role in oxygen transportation throughout the body, ensuring that muscles receive the oxygen they need for proper function. Another essential mineral found in oats is magnesium, which is crucial for muscle relaxation and contraction, helping to prevent muscle cramps and spasms. Number 3. Avocado. Healthy fats for optimal muscle function. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These healthy fats help protect the joints from wear and tear, making movements smoother and reducing discomfort caused by aging. This is especially beneficial for those experiencing joint pain or stiffness, as avocados can help improve flexibility and ease of motion. Another key benefit of avocados is their high potassium content, a mineral essential for muscle contraction and preventing cramps. Muscle cramps are a common issue among older adults, and maintaining adequate potassium levels can help reduce their frequency. Additionally, avocados are an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress, which can contribute to muscle breakdown over time. By including avocados in your diet, you can provide your muscles with the necessary nutrients to function efficiently and remain strong. Number 4. Berries. A natural shield against muscle deterioration. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are packed with antioxidants that play a crucial role in protecting muscles from damage caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress is one of the leading contributors to muscle degradation, and consuming antioxidant-rich foods like berries can help slow this process and preserve muscle strength. In addition to their antioxidant properties, berries are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation can weaken muscles and contribute to joint pain, making it harder to move comfortably. The high levels of vitamin C in berries also promote collagen production, a protein that supports the health of tendons, ligaments, and muscles, keeping them strong and resilient over time. Number 5. Salmon. High-quality protein and essential omega-3s. Salmon is one of the most beneficial sources of protein for older adults because it contains all the essential amino acids required for muscle maintenance and repair. Protein is a fundamental component of muscle tissue, and consuming sufficient amounts ensures that muscles stay strong and functional as we age. Beyond its protein content, salmon is an outstanding source of omega-3 fatty acids, which offer numerous health benefits. Omega-3s have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which help alleviate muscle and joint pain. These essential fatty acids also play a crucial role in cardiovascular health, improving blood circulation to muscles and ensuring they receive the necessary oxygen and nutrients for optimal function. By incorporating salmon into your diet, you can enhance muscle endurance, reduce fatigue, and support overall mobility. Number 6. Eggs. A nutritional powerhouse for muscle strength. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of high-quality protein, containing all the essential amino acids needed for muscle growth and repair. They also provide a rich supply of vitamin D, a critical nutrient for bone health and muscle function. Strong bones are necessary for maintaining stability and preventing falls, making vitamin D an essential component of a muscle-friendly diet. Additionally, eggs contain choline, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in communication between the nervous system and muscles. Proper nerve signaling is essential for smooth muscle coordination, helping prevent falls and improving overall mobility. Including eggs in your meals can provide the necessary support for strong, healthy muscles. Conclusion: strengthen your legs with smart nutrition. Adding these 6 nutrient-rich foods to your daily diet can have a significant impact on your leg strength, mobility, and overall independence. By prioritizing a diet filled with proteins, antioxidants, healthy fats, and essential vitamins, you can maintain muscle mass, improve joint function, and prevent injuries as you age. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Rate the information from 1 to 10 and share your thoughts. Your feedback is invaluable and helps us continue creating content that benefits you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.